Hi, this is ARUNACHALAM. Today, let us analyze the stock SKF India Limited. It has good presence in India, and we can consider going long in this stock because the stock is a leading supplier of products, solutions, and services within rolling bearing and mechatronics and some other lubricant systems. So it's a good company with a good fundamentals and decent returns with a decent financials. So we can consider going long in the stock for long term, and the stock is trading at quite expensive for long term. So it's a good long term pick, but its valuation is quite expensive. So beware of valuation before entering the stock for long term. And for short term, there is a good opportunity in the stock, and we can consider going long in the stock for short term. The stock after a good breakout, it's just moving very fast. So we can consider going long in the stock for short term because there is a good hammer pattern here in the monthly chart. But it's not a clear hammer, it's not a clear technical hammer, but it's somehow an hammer pattern. So let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So this is the weekly chart, and look at and let me draw the secondary trend in the stock. So this can be considered as a secondary trend in the stock. So retracement movement can be captured as a target in the stock for short term. So let's move to the daily chart to analyze further. But before moving to the daily chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description, and hit subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any ideas published in our channel. So in the daily chart, let me draw the most important support regions for the stock. So this region can be considered as a good support, and after hitting the support region, the stock tries to move higher, and after hitting the resistance, it's just retracing. So we can consider going long in the stock above the price range of 3600 for short term, and the price range of 4000 to 4100 can be taken as the target for the stock. So this is the breakout happened in the stock, and it's a good breakout with a good volume jump, and we can consider going long in the stock because the stock is just retracing around the 50-day exponential moving average. So one can use 50-day exponential moving average to ride the rally, and one can cut positions or exit completely on breakdown of 50-day exponential moving average. So if the stock places below the 50-day exponential moving average, we can consider exiting the stock for short term, and one can also re-enter once the signal is reversed. So taking entry at current market price is fine, and one can use 50-day exponential moving average to ride the rally, or else take entry above the price range of 3600, and the price range of 4000 to 4100 can be taken as the main target for the stock for short term. So the stock looks bullish for short term, and the stock is just reacting near the resistance zone. So the resistance breakout should be happened for short term. So consider going long in the stock for short term. Take entry above the price range of 3600 for very safe entry, and that too in a breakout, or else one can use 50-day exponential moving average to ride the trend. One can take entry at current market price for very short term move, and consider the price range of 3600 as a exit point. So 3600 price range is almost 5% upside, and 5% in a month is very good return on investment, and you can use 50-day exponential moving average to grab a good opportunity in the stock. So take entry at current market price, and the price range of 3600 can be taken as the most primary target, and the price range of 4000 can be taken as the next target for the stock for short term. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally, thank you for watching our videos.